Morning students, today we'll read a very interesting story, The Foolish Dog. This is chapter 7 and name of this chapter is The Foolish Dog. So in this story, the dog was very foolish and he was very greedy. Children, do you know the meaning of foolish? Foolish means buddhu, moor, and greedy means lalchi. So the dog in the story was very foolish and he was very greedy. वो बुद्धू भी था और मूर्ख भी था. So this is very interesting story. But before we start reading the story, I want to ask you, do you have a dog as a pet? Some of you might be having dog as a pet and you might have given some special name to your dog or you call it dog. People who keep dog as their pet, they give a special name to their dog because they love their dog and they give them a special name and they call dog by that special name like Jackie, Sunny, Tommy or whatever. Why people love dog? Because dog is very faithful animal and it is very friendly. It loves its master. And children, do you know what does dog eat? Dog's favorite food is bone and sometimes it eats milk and bread also. And people give them dog food. Now we'll read the story. But before we start reading the story, we should know about the keywords. First word is search. S-E-A-R-C-H, search. S-E-A-R-C-H, search. Search means look. हिंदी में इसको ढूंढना बोलते हैं. सेकेंड वर्ड इज ग्रैब. GRABBED, ग्रैब. टू होल्ड समथिंग. SUDDENLY, suddenly, and ROUGHLY, roughly. To hold something suddenly and roughly means किसी चीज़ को ऐसे ही पकड़ लेना by not holding tightly, that means grab, दबोच लेना. LAKE, lake. Lake means a water body surrounded. SURROUND, surrounded by land on all sides. So when there's water between and on all sides there's land, we call it lake. बीच में पानी और चारों तरफ लैंड होता है तो हम उसको लेक बोलते हैं. हिंदी में उसको झील या तालाब बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड स्टिल. STI, well, still means not moving. So when we are standing straight, not doing any action, that means we are standing still. REFLECTION, reflection. REFLECTION, reflection. रिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स एन इमेज ऑफ वंस. ONES, वंस. वंस माने खुद का. यहाँ एक नहीं है, खुद का है. फेस और बॉडी ऑन अ सरफेस लाइक इन अ मिरर. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन वी सी इन अ मिरर, व्हाट वी सी? वी कैन सी अवर ओन फेस एंड अवर बॉडी. आईने में क्या देखते हैं? खुद को देखते हैं. सो दैट इज अवर रिफ्लेक्शन. एंड वेयर एल्स वी कैन सी रिफ्लेक्शन? इन वाटर. सो वी कैन सी अवर रिफ्लेक्शन इन मिरर एंड इन वाटर. PUZZLED, puzzled. PUZZLED, puzzled means not able to understand और कंफ्यूज. तो क्या आपको समझ में नहीं आता उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पजल्ड. UNDERSTOOD, अंडरस्टूड. UNDERSTOOD, अंडरस्टूड मीन्स गॉट द आइडिया. अंडरस्टूड को हिंदी में समझ में आना बोलते. समझ में आ गया मीन्स अंडरस्टूड. नाउ विल रीड द स्टोरी. सो एज आई एम रीडिंग द स्टोरी, यू मूव द फिंगर बिकॉज यू हैव टू रीड द स्टोरी एंड सेंड रिकॉर्डिंग टू द टीचर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. वंस अपॉन अ टाइम देयर वॉज अ डॉग. ही वॉज very hungry. He went to search for food. So there was a dog and he was very hungry. So he went to search for food. वो खाने ढूंढने निकला. He looked around for a long time. So for a long time he was just searching food. Because he was not getting anything to eat. उसको कुछ खाने नहीं मिला इसलिए वो देर तक खाने को ढूंढता रहा. Just then he saw a juicy bone at a butcher's shop. BUTCHERS, butchers. Butcher's shop. What did he see in the butcher's shop? He saw a juicy bone. Butcher's shop means meat shop. Meat shop को butcher's shop बोलते हैं. The dog grabbed the bone and ran away. So dog holded the bone in his mouth and he ran away. उसने मुंह में bone को पकड़ा और he ran away. On his way, he came to a lake. So when he was running, he came to a lake. कहाँ पहुँच गया? Lake पे. तालाब के पहुँच गया, झील के. It had a bridge over it. So that lake was having bridge over it. Lake के ऊपर क्या था? Bridge था. Can you see this bridge? So this is a bridge on this lake. The dog walked onto the bridge. The dog started walking onto the bridge. वो bridge के ऊपर चलने लगा. Just then he looked into the lake. So he looked inside the lake. उन्हें पानी के अंदर झांका. लेक में झांका. The water in the lake was still. So still means not moving. So water was not moving. It was still. वो बह नहीं रहा था पानी, ठहरा हुआ था. So the water was still. He looked at the water. So he started looking at the water. पानी को देखने लगा. And what did he see? उसको क्या दिखा? He saw another dog inside. तो अंदर उसको दूसरा dog दिखा. This dog had a bone too. So the dog inside the water. So the dog inside the water is also having a bone. This dog is having a bone and dog inside the water is also having a bone. Why? Because this is not another dog. Actually it is a reflection of this dog. ये कोई दूसरा dog नहीं था, इसका खुद का reflection था. The dog didn't know that he was looking at his own reflection. The dog did not know that he was looking at his own reflection. Dog को पता नहीं था वो खुद को देख रहा water में. He thought that it was another dog. तो उसने क्या सोचा कि ये कोई दूसरा dog है. The other's dog bone looked bigger. So in the reflection the dog was bigger than the real one and bone was also bigger than the real bone. तो जो असली की bone से शेडो रिफ्लेक्शन वाली बोन और रिफ्लेक्शन वाला डॉग दोनों बड़े दिख रहे थे. The greedy dog wanted that bone too. So this dog was very greedy. मैंने बताया था कि he was greedy. I told you that dog was very greedy. लालची था. तो उसको बोला कि I want this dog bone also. I want this bone also so that I will get 2 bones to eat. उसने सोचा मुझे ये वाली बोन मिल जाए तो मेरे पास 2 bones हो जाएंगी. So he thought that I will take the bone from this dog. उसने सोचा मैं इस dog से भी ये वाली बोन ले लूँगा. Then I will have 2 bones to eat. The dog bent over the bridge. So he just bent over the bridge, झुका so that he can take bone from this dog. वो रिफ्लेक्शन वाली dog की बोन लेना चाहता था. So he bent onto the bridge. So the dog bent over the bridge. He opened his mouth. So what did he do? He opened the mouth to grab the other dog's bone. तो उस dog की bone को छीनने के लिए उसने अपना mouth open किया. Alas, his bone fell into the water. So what happened? As soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the water. तो उसने mouth open किया तो क्या हुआ? इसकी खुद की bone water में गिर गई. At first, the dog was puzzled. So dog was confused. What happened? I lost my bone. How did it happen? He looked in the lake again. So he just looked inside the lake. So दोबारा lake में देखा. The other dog was there. So he can see the other dog inside the lake. उसने lake में दूसरा dog तो दिखा. But now he had no bone. But dog inside the lake was not having any bone. Because this dog is not having bone, so how could this dog have a bone? अगर इसके पास bone नहीं तो इसके पास कैसे होगा? Because it is only his reflection. क्योंकि ये तो सिर्फ इसका reflection है. तो इसके पास नहीं है तो इसके पास भी नहीं होगा. So this dog is not having bone. Now this dog is also not having bone. Where did his bone go? Now he is thinking, where did his bone go? इसकी bone कहाँ चली गई? How silly of me. अब उसको समझ में आ गया that he was seeing his own reflection. How silly of me, thought the dog. मेरे पास कितना मूर्ख, मैं भी कितना बुद्धू हूँ. How silly of me, मैं भी कितना बुद्धू हूँ, thought the dog. He understood that he was looking at himself. तो उसको समझ में आ गया कि that he was looking at himself. ये खुद को देख रहा था, समझ गया. The dog shook his head sadly. So उसने अपना सिर हिलाया दुखी होकर. He went to look for another meal. Now he have to go in search for another meal. अब उसे दूसरा खाना ढूंढने के लिए जाना पड़ेगा because his bone was fell into the water. So he was not having anything to eat. So he have to go to search for another food. क्योंकि बस कुछ खाने के लिए बचा था इसलिए दोबारा इसको खाना ढूंढने के लिए जाना पड़ा. So you read the story and send the recording to the teacher. So that's all for today. Have a good day.